Okay, now first question, exercise 3b, sorry, question of 4th, find the square root of each of the following by long division method. So here if I take first question 6, 7, 2, 4, how will you solve the question? First of all, write down like this 6, 7, 2, 4. One line you have to draw according to that vertical axis and another is according to that horizontal axis. Now we'll make pairs. We'll make the pairs. How will we make pair? From right hand side. Like this, 2-number pair and here also 2-number pair. Now you are thinking, suppose sir here 729 is written, then how will make pair? First of all you have to make pair of 2 numbers and whatever numbers is remaining, like suppose 1 digit remaining है तो 1 digit के ऊपर ही आप बार लगा दो. Okay, like this way. Now next step, what you have to do, before 67, all of you think, before 67 which square number will come? Before 67, just before 67, which square number will come? Anyone know?
64 of 8.
64, yes.
Of 8.
Now 64 is which number square? 8. So that 8 only we will write down like this. 8, 8 ja 64. Like this. 8, 8 ja 64. Square number, always take square number. And after that subtract them. 7 minus 4, 3. And this pair come in downside, taking downside like this. Now next step, what is the next step? These two numbers 8 plus 8 you have to write down here, addition. 8 plus 8 is equals to 16. Okay? Now try to understand properly. Now after 16 means beside 16 you have to put a number and that same number we have to multiply जिसमें आपको 324 आना चाहिए. Now anyone think, all of you, 16 के बाद मैं कौन सा नंबर पुट करूं जिसमें आप सेम नंबर को मल्टीप्लाई करें तो उसका 324 आंसर आए. So we can say 2. If I take 2 and if I multiply with 2 with whole number, 2 2 ja 4, 2 6 ja 12, 2 1 carry, 2 1 ja 2, 3, 324 coming. Yes. That means think, all of you, in your mind which number will put here and same number will multiply जिसमें आपका 324 आए. That means we can say put here 2 also and put here 2 also. So answer will become 324 and that is your complete answer. That means we can write down the square root of 6724 is equals to 82. That is your complete answer. Okay, ये आपका आंसर है 82. Okay, I know like 60% you understood. Yes or no? Now next question we have to try to understand fully 100%. Okay, similar question we'll take. Okay, now next question, let's see. Seven, 9, 2, 1. But all of you be concentrated because next question you have to solve yourself. First of all, 7, 9, 2, 1 write down. Next step, what I have to do? Make pairs. Now think, all of you, and tell me fast. Before 79, which square number will come? Which square number? Just before 79. Tell me fast.
4 of 8.
64. Yes, 64. So we can write down 8, 8 ja 64. Always take square number. Next, minus 79 minus 64, 5, 1. And next pair will come downside. Next step, 8 plus 8, write down here 16 and beside put a number and same number you have to multiply and that 1, 5, 2, 1 will come. So I am thinking if I put here suppose ऐसा कोई number लेना पड़ेगा जिसमें square करने में आपका 1 आए. So obviously if I take 1 then we can say 161 only come. This is not coming answer. Now think, all of you, कौन से number का square करने में आपका 1 आता है last में? We can say 9. We can say 9 and that number you have to multiply. 169 multiply 9. Let's see what is the correct answer. 9 9 ja 81. 1 8 carry. 9 6 ja 54. 54 plus 8, how many?
How
54
9
plus 8, 62. 2 6 carry. 9 1 ja 9 plus 6, 15. Yes, coming answer. 1 5 2 1. That means this digit 9 you have to put here also. So the answer will be root over 7 9 2 1 is equals to 89. That is your complete answer. Now I think all of you understood this question. Yes or no? Fully? Now next question you have to solve yourself. Okay? See here. Very important question. This method is very question is not
Sir,
method
how
is
9
very
came? Sir, once tell how 9 came here.
how which came
9
9.
came. 9
This
came.
actually you have to think in your mind which number we will put. Which number you have to think in your mind. आपको माइंड में सोचना पड़ेगा कौन सा नंबर हमें पुट करना है और उसी नंबर को मल्टीप्लाई करने में आपका ये नंबर आना चाहिए 1521. Okay, like this you have to think first of all and write down and multiply after that. Okay, so let's see next question.
Sir, how we will know that it will come?
That only you have to when you solve this question now, then you can easily understand. Just do some questions yourself. 8, 6, 4, 9. If you do and tell me answer. Chalo, karo.
Sir, 81 9 square.
Okay, now again one time. Last question I explain you. First of all, think 86. Before 86, what is the square number? Which is the square number? 9. Because 81 is the square number and 81 is the square of 9. 9 9 ja 81. Done. Now 86 minus 1, 81, that is 5. And this pair come in downside. Full pair. Okay. 9 plus 9, 18. And beside this 18, which number, which digit you will put? And same digit you have to multiply here. That 549 will come. Think, यहाँ पे कितना है आपका 9. And which number square that 9 will come? 3 square? Yeah, we can say 7 square. 7 square में 49 आता है. 9. And 3 square also 9. So we have to use like one time 3. Let's say 3 3 ja 9. 3 8 ja 24. 2 carry. 3 1 ja 3 5. Yes, we can say 3 put. And put here 3 also. So 549. We can say the answer will be root over 8649 is equals to 83. That is your complete answer. Now tell me students, all of you understood this question? Yes or no? Very simple question, very good. You have one student? Rohan, very good. Now all of you understood, very good. Because so ये समझ में आ गया ना कोई भी क्वेश्चंस को आप अगर अच्छे तरीके से देखोगे so you can easily understand जितने भी हार्ड क्वेश्चन हो जाए. Try to process, try to understand this process only. Okay? This is not 90, 80, not 83, this is 93 only. One more? Okay, one more. Obviously, one more we have to solve. Let's see. Next question. This is 9801. Okay, let's see. Who solved fast this question? Sir, if there are 549 come, then how we have to solve furthermore? That only I show you, na? Okay, see in this question, 9801. What is the correct answer? What is the square of 9801? 99. But not check from your back side. Okay, book nahi open karna hai aapko. First of all, 9801. Correct? What have to do? Make pairs. First of all, I have to do make pairs. So think all of you, 98 is the number that before 98, which square number will come? Obviously 81, 9 ka square. After 9 to 10 will come 10 square 100, but we'll take 9 square. So 9 9 ja 81. Now 8 minus 1, 7. 9 minus 8, 1. This pair come in downside. Now what I have to do? 9 plus 9, write down here 18. Now think all of you, here which number you have to put and same number will multiply जिसमें आपका 1 आता है last में. Obviously we can say 1 का square 1, but here यहाँ तो नहीं आएगा. And if I put here after 18 1 and multiply with 1, then 181 will come. So think all of you, which number have to put? 9. Yes. हमें यहाँ पे क्या put करना है? 9. So if I put here 9 also, then 9 9 ja 81, 1 8 carry, 8 9 ja 72, 80 0 8 carry, 9 1 ja 9 7. Yes, coming 1701. That means put here 9, here also 9. So 1701, done. So we can say square root of 9801 is equals to your 99 is the correct answer. Now tell me student, how many percent you understand? %101. Very good. Okay, now similar question.
200%.
110%. Okay. See, now actually this is the simple questions. We can say natural number. Same decimal number we will take. In the case of decimal numbers also same process, but when 6-digit number will come, in that case some like different we have to use different process. Okay, कैसे मैं दिखा रहा हूँ, एक एग्जांपल दिखा रहा हूँ आपको. Check it here. Question number 5. 4556.25. Okay, 4556 point. Actually, this is not hard question, but today I will explain you only two questions, 4 and 5. Okay, now see 4556.25. So what I have to do? First of all, write down like this. 4556.25. What I have to do? First of all, make pairs. Okay, make pairs. Yes, Rudraks, very good. 200% I know. See here. First of all, before 45, which number will come? Before 45, which square number will come? 36.
36.
Yes. So write down like this. 6 6 are 36. Subtract 45 minus 36, 9. This pair coming down side 56. Now, sorry. Now what I have to do? 6 plus 6. 6 plus 6, write down here 12. Okay. Now here, one number you have to put. Try to understand all of you. Not same process. Here one number you have to put. That number, when you multiply that number, then near about 956. Exact 956 नहीं आएगा, क्योंकि ये तो प्रोसेस अभी खत्म नहीं हुए, क्योंकि 25 भी आना बाकी है आपका. That's why think all of you, one number you have to put here, that same number when you multiply 956 का near about आए. So we can say 1. इस तरीके से आप multiply करके देखना पड़ेगा. Suppose if I put 7, then 7 7 ja 49, 9 4 carry. 2 7 ja 14, 14 plus 4 18, 8 1 carry. 2 7 1 ja 7 8. Yes, 889. Suppose if I take 8, then this will come more than 956. That's why now take 7 only. ठीक है, अच्छे से देखना 7. Now 7 here also you have to, and write down 8 8 9 and subtract this. 16 minus 9, how many? 16 minus 9, that is 7. 15 minus carry 14, 14 minus 8 6, and 9 minus carry 8, 8 minus 8 0. Okay, stop here. Now another very important thing, which number, जो number आपने multiply किया, जो digit आपने multiply किया, same digit you have to add them. That means 7 only we will add them. And add कर दो. 7 plus 7 14, 1 carry 3 1 34. Now next step, this all the digit you have to take here, and ये जो decimal है इसको ऊपर भेज. Okay, now think all of you here, which number will put? That same number when you multiply, then 6725 will come. Obviously 5, because 5 square how many? 25. That's why we can take here 5. चलो check करते एक बार. 1 3 4 5 multiply by 5. 5 5 ja 25, 2 carry. 5 4 ja 20 plus 2 22, 2 carry. 5 3 ja 15, 17 7 1 carry. 5 1 ja 5 6. 6 7 2 5. 6 7 2 5. That means if I put here 5, then here also we will put. So the answer will be correct. So we can say 4556.25 is equals to 67.5. That is your 100% correct answer. Okay, then I know this is very lengthy questions, but if you understand one time this question, so in this questions it is very easy for you. Okay. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ट्राई टू सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन. अगर नहीं हो तो मैं तो हूं ही आपके सामने. सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन. 6099.61. Yes. Sir, how we will come to know that for last question? 6099.61. First of all, think all of you, before 60, which square number will come? This is how many? 36. 64, yes. 64 तो आ ही नहीं सकता, 64 तो 60 के बाद है. Then before 60, 7, yes. 7, 7 ja 49. Now 60 minus 49, 11 will come, and here 99 coming downside. Next step, first tell me, 7 plus 7, 14, write down. Now before 14, that means after 14, which number will put? जिसमें आपको उसी नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करने के बाद 1199 आएगा. Obviously we can say, like, let's check. मुझे भी नहीं पता. Just check it here. So if I put here suppose 8, and if I multiply like this, 8 8 is 64, 6 carry, 4 8 is 32, 32 plus 6, 38, 3 carry, 8 1 is 8, 11. 1184, yes. Actually, I'm like this type of question we have solved a lot of times. And that's why we are taken directly 8. But आपको थोड़ा उसका guessing करके वो questions लेना है, ठीक है ना? So if I take 8 and if I take 8 and if I multiply by 8, then how many come? 1184. Now you have to subtract them. We can say 9 minus 4 5, 9 minus 8 1, and this 6 1 coming downside. Okay. And this point you have to shift it upper side. Okay, no issue. Very simple. Now what I have to do? जो number, जो digit अपने multiply करा, उस same digit से addition करना है. That means 8 plus 8, 16, 6, 1 carry. Okay, 1 plus 4, how many? 5 and 1. Now think very simple thing. If you put here 1 only, and if you multiply with 1 whole number, then 1561 will come. So put it here 1 and 1561. Done. So the answer will be 6099.61 is equals to 78.1. That is your complete answer. Okay. Yes, students. Yes. Very good. 78.1. That is the correct answer. Yes.